Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. It's your boy again here this evening, David from IFX Live. I just want to talk about one of the market that I forecast in the morning. I told you guys in the morning that this is about Great Britain Pound USD. So I told you guys in the morning that Great Britain Pound that is going to hit this very point of 129.25.6, that when it hits this very point, that is very much possible that it will reverse and it will take a up direction. You get it? So the candle, the very candle that opened, in the Eastern time, because this is a 8 o'clock, 8:04 at the moment in the Eastern time, North America. I believe this is around 1 p.m. in the London time and African time. So this should be around 1 p.m. as we speak. Now the candle, the trade, the candle hit this very point that I spoke about, and it went up and formed a pin bar. You get it? Though this pin bar, it's good. This is like the third confirmation that the market is going up, that the market is swinging back up. Now another candle has opened, which is this. When you check it, this was the pin bar that the market closed upon. You get it? So another candle is open and it's pushing downwards. But I know when this push downward a little bit, no matter how downward it push, by in the morning it's definitely going to go up. You get it? Though US dollar is trying to like prove its stamina and stability, but right now US dollar it's not really that strong. You get it? But from what I can see here, and at this very moment, US dollar, euro, Great Britain pound, you know, they kind of strong right now. They kind of have a stability right now that it's really establishing many things if you look at it. So at the moment, the market opens down and it's pushing downtrend. So I know that by tomorrow, the market by tomorrow, which London by tomorrow Eastern time, I know that the market is definitely, it might go up more, but at the moment, I've placed a buy. You get it? I've placed a buy inside the market. I'm buying at the moment right now. I'm not selling. You get it? So it's an uptrend for me. I've placed a buy that is on Great Britain Pound USD as we speak. So the market is going up, but let's just see how strong the trend of this market might be. Because from what I can see, this market is still going to swing up a little bit, before it start coming down. But from everything here, is indicating that the market is going up. So should US dollar want to balance, its momentum, this market will still heat up a little bit. You get it? So this market will still heat up a little bit before it start coming down back. This is what I see here. The US dollars break some resistance, some support. US dollars cleared all that. So it's possible for this market to get to 1.3072 and start coming down again. It is possible, a small possibility for this market to get to 1.3072 and start coming down. But from what I can see here from my price action analysis, this market is definitely still going to pick up back. You get it? It's definitely still going to swing up back. You get it? So US dollar will gain its stability, but from what I can see now, not right now. I can't see anything that is establishing US dollar fully, that it has gained its momentum. You get it? US dollar just try to turn the fire on for at least, let's say, more than a week now as we speak. Just try to turn the fire on. But right now US dollar is collapsing back. It's very much collapsing back, which is not really helpful. So let's just take a look back at the market as we speak. When you look at this place, when you look at this very point, US dollar, form a momentum of downtrend, and it start going down, it start pushing the market down, it start proving its strength, it start doing things which is It's okay. By the way, it's okay. It's one of those things like US dollar do. So it start pushing the market down a little bit, but as it is like this, when it gets to this point, there are three major things, there are five major things here that prove that US dollar is coming down in the past. And this time that I'm talking about that was May 4, 2020. That was March. I'm sorry, that was March 4, 2020. You know, it starts another crusade March 10, 2020. So the confirmation of the crusade appeared at March 11, 2020. So by the you know by the time of March 12th, the market starts trending down, trending down, trending down, trending down, trending down, trending down. It's really rocked the market there, because the European economy, the European forex market was very less. You get it? The European forex market was very less. People are pulling money out to do some other things. You get it? Out of euro, and people are not using euro much more in the international borders, because this time that we're talking about is around all the serious pandemic period. This really gave US dollar the strength. So around March 27, you know Great Britain pound pick up the jinx and start pushing up again. But US dollar, due to its strength, start fighting. But Great Britain pound start pulling it. Great Britain pound start showing strength. Great Britain pound start showing different kind of stability, which does really make sense very well. US dollar was fighting it, fighting it, fighting it. So here is the point. US dollar fought it up to this point, like 3 or 4 weeks ago, like let's just say 4 or 5 weeks ago. US dollar formed some kind of convincing, you know, action that proves that the market is going down. You get it? So it keeps like forming a kind of lower low candle, it's forming some kind of lower low candle, and it forms another momentum that proves that the market is going down, which the market did not go down. So this shows all this point, all this circle proves like power struggle, the forex market power struggle between between Great Britain pound, between Great Britain pound and USD. But when it got to this point, Great Britain pound pick up its jinx again. So like on Thursday last week, September 1, no, on Monday last week, September 1, US dollar start, Great Britain pound hold a pin bar, reversal. It's a bullish pin bar, but it's a reversal pin bar. So the second day, US dollar tried to like prove itself. The third day, US dollar tried to prove itself. The fifth day, the market they have a tie. The fifth day they have a tie, like US dollar tighten it up, Great Britain pound tighten it up. So the market was just in one position. You get it? So on Wednesday, sorry, this was on I think this was on Thursday, and this is on Friday. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and this is the new market that opened for Thursday. So this candle will definitely push down a little bit, but to me right now, I'm at the buy of the market. You get it? So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. US dollar is still trying to like prove itself, but to me, I don't see US dollar going down here. From my own price action statistics, I don't see US dollar going down here. I don't see US dollar really breaking out or going down, 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 down for down like that. I don't see US dollar going down. I see Great Britain pound pushing it up. It's gonna be a struggle for a little bit, but right now the strength of the US dollar is collapsing. It's seriously collapsing, and it's seriously showing that the US dollar stability in the forex market, it's getting weaker and weaker. You get it? So should US dollar really want to cover up some action, we're definitely going to see it. It's definitely going to reflect that we always see it, that yeah, US dollar is tightening up the jinx. But from what I can see here, I don't really see US dollar beating everything, because just like I said US dollar, we hit this point and it will reverse. That is it's a, I said it's an uptrend market. That US dollar will hit this very point, 1.29256, that it will hit it and it will reverse. If you watch my video that I did, like 7-8 hours ago, I said it, and from what I said, US dollar has really, the market has really proved itself, because Great Britain pound really want to take up the jinx and US dollar is trying to fight it. So it's like a power struggle right now. But I promise you, from what I can see here, I know the market is going back up. It might be a little bit tough, but the market is going back up, because US dollar would definitely want to fight. It's just like a sell. It's just like cells between human beings. When diseases attack, if your cell and your gene is very strong, some cells will try to fight the market. So US dollar is trying to fight the market and prove itself. But whatever it is, it's still good. It is still good. But for me, I'm at the buy of the market right now. I'm at the buy of the market, and I'm not trying to look at the market that, hey, it's going to be like this, it's going to be like that. I'm at the buy of the market because this is what the price action tells me. So people, at least for this evening, this is what I have for you. I'm really happy and glad that you guys are with me. Please like, share, subscribe on my channel and click the notification button. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. I'll definitely appreciate it. I'll strongly appreciate it. So everyone, please be good, trade safe, trade wise, and have a good one, everyone. I really appreciate you people showing me love. Have a good one. I really appreciate it. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching my daily forecast forex trading video. I really appreciate it. Please, if you feel like asking me any question, please drop it on any of my social media pages and I'll definitely get back to you. If the question is so pressing, please, you could give me a call on Skype any day, anytime at IFX. I'll definitely pick up your call and we'll talk it through. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could add me on any of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll definitely appreciate it. Thanks everyone. Have a good one and trade safe.